Now is the time to get qualified to purchase a home or investment property for 2023. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another week, another episode of The Brief with your one and only Kenny Simpson. This week, I want to talk about interest rates. There's really not much going on with interest rates. They're pretty much flat week over week from last week. Also, I want to dive into inventory. Inventory, as you might imagine, is coming down from week over week. We obviously, this time of year, holidays, Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's, a lot of stuff packed in. People don't want to move. Times are slower. So we're dealing with the holidays. And so listings are coming down and everything else. So, who wants to move, right? And move around during the holidays. The other thing I want to talk about is what I'm seeing. I don't know what you guys are seeing, but what I'm seeing and I'm hearing is I'm getting a lot of pre-qualified buyers right now. A lot of people that are saying I got a lot of leads, a lot of people that want to buy in 2023. So I know real estate investors. I know people that are first-time home buyers that didn't buy in 19, 20, 21, 22. My gosh, they missed out like on 4 years. And some of them are like, thank God I didn't buy. And some of them are like, man, I wish I bought. But now's their opportunity. If you're an investor, now's the time to pick up a deal or two or maybe more. If you're a first-time home buyer, this might be the perfect storm. Rates are trending down, properties are getting discounted, and sellers are working with you with fixing repairs, paying for closing costs, all that good stuff. So I'm seeing buyers that are going to be able to buy excited and looking forward to 2023. Last thing I want to talk about is the recession. The recession is literally becoming the talk of Wall Street, of Main Street, of every damn street. I think as we enter into January, after we get through the holiday season here, where everybody's going to eat out and travel and spend money and shop, I think we're going to see a dramatic change in the consumer spending. I think we're going to see a lot of layoffs, the Fed pivot. I keep saying this over and over again. Good thing it's on video. And I think we're going to see inflation continue to come down as well as interest rates. Yes, the Fed's going to keep hiking because they still have to make sure that inflation number is down, and stays down. But long-term rates that are not tied to what the Fed does, I think will continue to drop. I think the magic number is when you see that conventional rate at 5%, you will start to see a lot of buyers move off the fence. And the last thing I want to say is happy holidays to everybody. But remember, we've got about 20 days left, 15 days left. It's awfully slow in our business right now, but everybody seems to be on holiday early. So if you're watching this and you are, kudos to you. But some of us want to get some stuff done. We're pushing hard, and that's me. So I'm over here pushing hard to do whatever I can to the end of the year, because when Christmas hits, everybody goes into slow-mo. So for you guys that are looking to get pre-qualified, or you guys that are looking to, gain more knowledge, this is a great time to learn about stuff, podcasts, go on YouTube, see what's going on, talk to your agents, talk to your lenders, what's going on in the market. If you're going to buy next year, get on the same page, get pre-qualified, get ready. If you're self-employed, why is it so important? Maybe you need to pay yourself more for that W-2 income before the end of the year. Maybe you're like, hey, maybe we shouldn't write off this or that to show more income. So I go through a lot of tax planning. Yes, tax planning to look at draft returns and talk about what clients are going to do for next year that are actively buyers of real estate. So that way, when they file those tax returns next year, they've already prepped for this year, met with their CPA. So do your planning, enjoy your holidays, call somebody you love. Anyways, I'll check in with you guys next week to see what's going on. We're going to have inflation numbers and stuff like that coming out. So we'll see what the Fed does and if we see more pivots ahead.